Tonight at 5, we're also learning more about several major drug arrests in the Shoals. Investigators say that they are seeing more opioids on the streets. Lauderdale County Drug Task Force agents arrested Terry King. They say he had 70 grams of fentanyl and heroin. Weeks later, they arrested Brandon Swan. He had meth and what they believe is fentanyl. Around the same time, these two, Austin Jordan and George Pickens, were arrested after agents conducted a raid in a Zip City where they confiscated 2 ounces of heroin. Tonight, all 4 men are in the Lauderdale County jail, but the community is still feeling the impact of the crimes. Way 31's Brecken Terry joins us live. She spoke with law enforcement and mental health experts about the latest crisis. Brecken.
Drug Task Force agents like to remain under the radar, but I spoke with one who's with Lauderdale County over the phone, and he told me they've been extremely busy. He said not only are Lauderdale County deputies and Florence police administering more Narcan, that's the drug that saves people who are overdosing on opioids. Now, the Alabama Department of Mental Health said opioid drug overdoses in the state have risen by 20% in the last year. Over at A New Beginnings Drug Rehab and Recovery, officials there told me they're seeing more and more people coming in who are addicted to opioids.
A couple years ago, it was mostly pills like the Roxys and the Oxycontin, but nowadays it is the heroin. And meth is also big too, and a lot of them use both. It's not just one or the other. So, but opiates is definitely probably our #1 admit right now.
Now, ICERD wants to remind people there is help available and recovery can be rewarding. Now, I've also reached out to Shoals Ambulance to see if they're responding to more overdose calls. They're working to get me that information. Live in Florence, Brecken Terry, Way 31 News.